Let's solve inequalities using a negative multiplicative inverse. Inequality number 3. Negative 6y minus 8 is greater than negative 38. Step 1. Use the additive inverse to remove the numeric term on the variable side if needed. Our variable side is over here, and we do have a numeric term on the variable side, minus 8. The additive inverse will be to add 8 to both sides of the inequality. Adding 8 to both sides gives us negative 6y on the left side, and this is greater than negative 38 plus 8 equals negative 30. Step 2. Use the multiplicative inverse to solve for the variable. Flip the inequality if the multiplicative inverse is a negative number. We need to divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is negative 6. We will divide by negative 6 on both sides. That means that we are going to need to flip the inequality from greater than to less than. Negative 6y divided by negative 6 equals y. Greater than flips to become less than. Negative 30 divided by negative 6 is a positive 5, and we have solved our inequality for the variable y. Solutions are all values that are less than positive 5. How did we solve for the variable? In step 2, we solved for the variable by dividing by negative 6 on both sides of our inequality after we added 8 to both sides. Dividing by negative 6 means that our multiplicative inverse was a negative number, so we flipped the inequality. Step 3. Graph the solutions. We draw our number line, we put positive 5 in the middle of our number line. We will not include 5 as an answer, so we use an open circle, and then we draw our arrow in the direction of all values less than positive 5. You are now ready to solve the inequality in problem number 4.